So the total factory cost is rupees 62,000, and per ton, that is rupees 62 rupees per ton. That we will calculate this 62 rupees, that is 62,000 divided by 1,000 tons. You will get your per ton value. Now add heading. Okay, so next heading, that is add direct, sorry, add अभी हमने now we complete factory expenses. Now we continue with the office overheads or office expenses. So whatever the headings indicate or recorded under the office heading, we are recorded that heading here, office expenses. So the what is office expenses? When we allocate this heading, some headings are allocated under the head of office. That is the first, office salary. Office salary. First heading, office salary. Second heading, office general on cost. General on cost. Next heading, which indicate the under the head of office, that is electricity charges. Factory electricity charges. So only three headings are recorded under the office expenses. Now we continue with the total of these office expenses, 5,000 plus 1,000 plus 2,000. Total answer, that is 8,000. 8,000 total amount of factory expenses. So record under this heading 8,000. 62,000 plus 8,000. Your answer will be 70,000, and 70,000 is your next total answer. 70,000 is your cost of production. So this is your next heading, cost of production. Cost of production 70,000, total amount 70,000 in first column also 70,000, and per ton it is rupees 70, that is 70,000 divided by 1,000 units. So you will get per ton value 7,000. Per unit value 8 rupees per ton. 8,000 divided by 1,000, 8 rupees per ton. Then add selling and distribution. Whatever the selling and distribution headings are there, it is recorded in allocate according to the selling and distribution heading. First, catalog expenses. See whether is there any amount pending. No. Selling and distribution. First, catalog expenses recorded under the head of selling and distribution. Selling and distribution, catalog expenses, then tendering expenses, the expenses which is related with the sale promotion part. So all expenses related with the sale promotion part are considered as a selling and distribution. Tendering expenses and commission on sale. There are three headings under the heading of selling and distribution. First, catalog expenses, second tendering expenses, and third one selling commission on sales. Then total it 1,500 plus 1,000 plus 2,500. It will give you 5,000. 5,000 recorded under this heading. 5,000. Total selling expenses. Total selling expenses 5,000 plus total amount 70,000 per ton, 5 rupees per ton, that is 5,000 divided by 1,000. It will give you 5 rupees per ton, that is your selling expenses. Total heading, or you can say it is a total cost 75,000. 75,000. 75,000. So 75 rupees per ton. And amount and the indication heading of this heading total cost. Total cost will be 75,000. Here we discuss with the simple cost sheet, and in this cost sheet we have to find some headings like prime cost, factory cost, cost of production, total cost, and now we are calculate our profit or loss. But before that we have to record our selling price. What is the selling price? It is calculated by the way of ton into per ton value. Ton into per ton value. So this is the sales 1000 tons into rupees 100 per ton. It will give total sale amount will be sales or turnover, you can say. Sales is equal to 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh. 1000 ton into 100 per ton rupees 1 lakh, and selling price 1 lakh divided by 1000, it will give you 100 rupees per ton. So your profit will be 1 lakh, that is the selling price, minus total cost, that is the 75,000. Your answer, whatever your answer is there, it is your profit, that is rupees 25,000. And profit per ton, that is rupees 25 rupees per ton. So like this, we are going to calculate this heading with the help of given formula. This is your cost sheet. Whatever they ask, it is a simple cost sheet. So you have to calculate first heading, that is the prime cost. What is the heading prime cost indicate? Prime cost, it is a constitute of direct material, direct labor, direct overheads becomes your prime cost. So there are three headings: material, labor and expenses becomes your first heading, that is prime cost. Next heading, while we go through this part, when you add prime cost plus factory expenses, it becomes your factory cost. So factory cost, prime cost plus factory expenses becomes your factory cost. Factory cost plus office expenses gives you cost of production. Next, when cost of production adds selling and distribution expenses gives you total cost. So this is your total cost. And total cost add profit is equal to sale, or if the answer of sale is provided, it is your, you can easily find the profit from reducing the headings of 1 lakh minus 75,000. So this is your simple cost sheet where you can find the various cost, that is the prime cost, factory cost and cost of production, total cost, as well as profit and sale. By this way, we are solve our question and find out the selling price as well as profit per unit. So, profit per unit is rupees 25 per ton. Per ton it is rupees 25.